Hello, my name's Stacey and I work at the London Beauty Institute. Today I'm going to teach you how to thread eyebrows. Before threading any area, make sure you cleanse the area. Today I'm going to use a pre-wax lotion as it's suitable for all hair removal, but you can also use a baby wipe, some soapy water or some surgical spirits. So we're just going to remove any makeup or debris from the area that we're about to thread. So to hold the thread, you need to put the loose ends into your mouth and just bite it with your teeth. Unreel it slightly, and with the hand that you use to write, make some twists in the cotton. Do it about 4 or 5 times. And it should give you a T shape. So you're looking down and across. This area here, the V shape, is where the hairs will be removed. So if you hold it open and pull your head back, that shape will get smaller. The hairs get caught in that V and are removed subsequently. To do the threading, we need our client to support the area and keep the skin tight at all times. So if you just put one hand above and one hand below. So with the eyebrows, we're stretching the skin nice and tight using one hand above and one on top of the lid, keeping the skin really firm. We place our thread down onto the client's skin, keeping it flush with the area, and just gently pull your head back. Any hairs that are inside that V will be removed, so make sure you're starting low and working your way up towards the shape. Work in small sections so it's not too uncomfortable for your client. And as you get closer to the shape, just make sure you're extra careful not to take any hairs that you don't want to. You may want to segregate single hairs. Many people like the tops of their eyebrows to be tidied also. Make sure you don't take anything from the structure of the shape. And just remove any from the forehead area. To do the centres, just work in small sections, moving up, and to get any that are going in an upwards direction, you can move your cotton around. So mixing them up that way. When you're finished, break your cotton, dispose of the bit that you've used, and apply a little bit of soothing lotion. Again, today I'm going to be using an after wax lotion, but you can use any kind of after sun or any gels containing aloe vera. Anything that's designed to soothe the skin will work at this point to do just that. So smooth the eyebrows down, and if there's any stray hairs on your client's face, just remove those, so when they look, they can see their nice tidy new shape. And that's how you thread eyebrows.